Alright, heading out of Rhinelander this morning. Gonna do some looping in Lake Country. Heading up to the Minocqua Woodruff area. Start with, work our way up towards Mercer. And then off into some of the beautiful river roads up there. And work our way down towards Boulder Junction and south of Land O'Lakes and cross over north of Eagle River and eventually loop around to Rhinelander. Something like that. You know, make it up as we go a little bit today. If our road looks good, we're checking it out. We just came through the town of Lake Tomahawk. Not to be confused with the town of Tomahawk that hosts the fall ride each year. In fact, we'll be back up here for the fall ride in a few weeks with a group of friends. We got a couple cabins rented and checking out some of the fall colors and enjoying the festivities up here. Just kind of working our way through Lac du Flambeau here a minute ago. What a beautiful area. So, good sized swamp out here. Coming into the town of Mercer. Looking for a little lunch. Kind of hungry. Heading out into the sticks after this, so not clear how long we'd have to ride before we'd run across something that looked lunch-worthy. Oh, we found us another Rustic Road. Rustic Road 100. Still haven't found lunch, but keeping our eyes open. Let's check out Rustic Road 100. You know, I don't want to jinx it, but so far this is shaping up to be the smoothest rustic road I've ever been on. By definition, sometimes they're not that well maintained, but this one's nice so far. Still winding our way along Rustic Road 100. This was a great find. A little further in, Rustic Road 100 continues to be a total keeper. Came off Rustic Road 100, came from Mercer right over to the Wisconsin-Michigan border. Technically, we're back in Michigan here, running some road, I'm not sure what it is, but right along the border of Wisconsin and Michigan, just onto the Michigan side. And we'll do this for some number of miles and then dip back into Wisconsin. Working our way southeast on County P, south of Presque Isle. But the roads have been great. A bit of a motorcycle paradise up here. Nice bike trail that runs all the way along K here. Working our way to Boulder Junction. Well, believe it or not, we found another Rustic Road. Rustic Road 60 this time. Let's go check it out. Another beautiful rustic road. One smooth flowing curve after another, a canopy of trees. What's not to like? swans right there. Still on K, but 10 miles or more east of 45 at this point. Coming up to a little town of Phelps. Let's go back then. We had some ice cream in Phelps. You might say to yourself, man, it seems like they eat a lot of ice cream. Sometime on these trips, it's a nice afternoon diversion. I'll say that. Alright, we picked up our original route again. It takes us on a road down through the National Forest. Named road. I'm just hoping it doesn't turn to gravel down in here, but so far so good. We're in the forest now. The tree canopy's so thick back here in places it seems like it's getting dark. If I didn't already say it, this is part of the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest, so hence the beautiful forest. Look at this little pond out here in the middle of the forest. Slowly but surely we're coming to the end of this forest section. Well, we're technically out of the Chequamegon National Forest now, down to private, but it's been stunning through here, and I bet you it's been just short of 20 miles. Just like that, we're out of the forest and back in some lake country. Big stone lake. One side, Deer Lake on the other. Rolling back into Rhinelander. A wonderful day of riding. Got to see some rustic roads. Lots of smooth, windy, twisty. Just generally a really good day of riding. And then we get into that 20-mile section through the Chequamegon National Forest. It was a tunnel of trees the whole way. Kind of crazy. Some beautiful lake country. So anyway, good day. Tomorrow we're heading for home. Get up and get going. We're going to go down to make a stop at the Dells of the Eau Claire, north and west of Wausau. Heard about that, watched videos on it. Kind of curious to go check that out. And from there we'll probably beat it for home. We got some things to take care of, so that's a wrap for today.